Happy New Year and welcome to the first edition of Unboxing in 60 Seconds in 2025. Today we're going to unbox this special item. Pasensya nga pala sa lahat ng ating mga viewers kasi hindi natuloy ang ating 12 days of unboxing last year. And I'm really sorry for that. Kinulang po tayo sa oras. And before I continue, I'd like to shout out kay Bro Phil and Sis Aya na lagi tayong pinapanood dyan sa Canada. Okay, so ayan, diretso na tayo for our first unboxing. Straightforward. Nako, alam nyo naman ang 2025 ay napaka-special na year para sa amin. Kung kaya't ito ang ating bubuksan ngayon. Ayan, the Mighty Marvel 2025 calendar. So, nung makita ko to sa Kinokuniya, gusto ko nang bilhin. But then I realized na why not try sa Amazon. And let's go through the pages of this very special calendar at malalaman nyo kung bakit ba special itong calendar na to para sa amin. O ayan na nga, simulan na natin. So bakit nga ba special itong calendar na to? So tingnan natin. Una pala, ito ay Marvel calendar. So that's number 1. Number 2, a reissue of the 1975 classic. Ayan, so imagine ito palang calendar na to is the same calendar na pinublish ng Marvel noong 1975, and that makes us very exciting. So, para tayong magta-travel back in time 50 years ago. Ano ba ang hitsura ng calendar noon? So, hindi ba nakakatuwa yun? So, ayan. So, makikita natin dito, ayan, ito yung mga sample ng mga so-called mga artwork on the pages. Ayan, so basahin lang natin. Spiral bound and printed on sturdy cardstock. Art by iconic Marvel artists including Jack Kirby, John Buscema, John Romita Jr., Gil Kane, Gene Colan, and others. Ayan. At marami pang iba. Ayan. So excited na ako. Sige na, buksan na natin to. Start tayo dito sa likod. Ayan, ganito pala ang hitsura niya. Ayan, so tapo natin sa gilid. So ito yung parang pinaka-cover niya. Hindi pala natin kailangan ng cutter. And then kapag pinlip natin siya, oops, ano ba to? Ayan, meron tayong the Once and Future Marvel. So 1974, si Spider-Man, kung familiar kayo dyan, si Spider-Man, at saka si Hulk naman dito sa kabilang side. Okay, at ito naman, so ibig sabihin dito yung before, ito yung next year, and ito na yung 1975 at a glance from January to December. So makikita nyo yung iba't ibang Marvel characters sa bawat month. Ayan, so sino bang makakahula sa lahat na ito? Let me try. Spider-Man, Doctor Strange, this is Power Man, Vision, parang si Conan to. Ito si The Thing, Captain America, Doctor Doom, Mighty Thor, Dracula, Daredevil, and Incredible Hulk. So much for that. Now for a more leisurely look at the monster and Marvel's mightiest minions, and away we go. Yan. So for the month of January, so yung mga pinanganak dyan ng January, ayan, ayun, sakto pala ang ating frame. Yan po ang buong calendar ng January. So ngayon, January is National Spider-Man Month. O sino nakakalam yan? Na ang January pala ay National Spider-Man Month. And sino kaya makakahula kung sino ang artist nitong cover page na to? Ayan, so ang ganda, So bawat days may mga, ayan, so Steve Ditko. Ayan, so nakakatawa. So, ganito yung itsura ng calendar noong 1975. Okay? So, sino ba excited? Now, let me know kung alin yung birthday nyo, para mai-focus natin. And I'm really excited to see kung sino ang superhero ng birthday ko. So, let's go to the next month. Ayan, February is Doctor Strange and the Defender's Time ng 1975. Ayan. So ano bang naalala nyo kapag February? Of course, Valentine's Day. Ayan. So tatamahan niya ay Friday. Ano? At ano pa bang ibang significant dito? Oh, yun, si Hawkeye. Tingnan mo, si Hawkeye nag-shoot ng arrow, bumagsak ng Feb 14. Tama naman, napaka-creative and clever nila. Okay. Next. Ayan. So, March is Power Man City. It's not the color of man's skin that determines his worth. It's the color of his courage, his immortal soul. And Luke Cage, ayan, has got the whole blasted spectrum. Si Luke Cage nga pala to. Ayan. So, unfortunately, Mami, walang superhero drawing sa birthday mo. So, I think yung mga characters dito is related to that particular superhero. Okay, next. Ito na po ang aking pinakahihintay. Ayan, alam nyo ba ang birthday ko? Sa mga nakakaaba naman, tinan mo nga naman. At ang April ay April shower brings Avengers power. So ako po pala ay pinanganak ng Friday, April 4, 1975. Ayan. So pinanganak ako nung Friday at ang sabi dito sa calendar ay the Hulk was an Avenger once, he thinks. Ayan. So I'm sure most of you are familiar with the Avengers. So ito yung original Avengers na malamang nakita na natin from the MCU, but this is the original cast of Avengers. So you have the Vision at the center, and then you have Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, and of course Scarlet Witch. Ayan ba, talaga naman meron pa nung the Power Fame Avengers ID. Okay, so hindi na natin siya babasahin. Nakakatuwa lang kasi alam mo, ganito yung kung those who have this calendar in 1975 must be very, very lucky to have this. So we're traveling back in time po in May 1975. May is a pair of brawling barbarians. So this is Conan pala. Conan the Barbarian. So sino bang artist nito? Mahirap. So Barry Smith. Is it Barry Windsor Smith? Yeah, mukhang siya kasi merong traces ng kanyang Conan. So this is from Barry Windsor Smith. And ito yung some of the characters in Conan. Ayan. So bilisan na natin. At right, oops, merong karton sa gitna. Talaga namang unbox. Ito naman, kung alam nyo, this is the Fantastic Four. June is the Fantastic Four. Or is it 5? Ayan, so yung may mga birthday ng June dyan. Si Bunker, June 30. This is Alicia's day and she deserves it. Ayan, June 30 po. Naman ang July, of course, July, 4th of July. July belongs to Captain America. Who else? Oo nga naman, sino pa ba? So 4th of July, as makikita natin dyan, so may tinwatch siyang isang dynamite, si Captain America. And of course, si Red Skull. Ayan, at iba pang mga facts about Captain America. Right, so yan si Falcon. Next, we have August. August is a warm super villain. Dedicate nila ang page na to sa lahat ng mga super villain. Ayan, sinong ma-identify nyo dyan? Sige nga, let me try. We have Doctor Doom, Red Skull, si Mole pala, mga enemy ni Spider-Man, si Dr. Octopus, si Green Goblin, si Vulture, ito ay si Kang, ito si si Kraven the Hunter. Ito hindi ako medyo familiar. Ayan, so ito pala. Yan. Ang iba't ibang mga villain. Okay. Next, we have September. Means never having to say your Thor day. Oh, so Thor is September. Ayan. At ang iba pang mga characters related kay Thor. Of course, kilala niyo naman siya, si Loki. Next, we have October is Mix Up Monster Rally. Yan, so si Dracula, Frankenstein, hindi swamp to baka mamaya makakon tayo ng hindi siya Swamp Thing, di ba? Ayan, siya ay walang pangalan, So ito yung mga monster ng Marvel. ba't wala si Blade? Next, ayan, November. Bakit September daw? October pa pala, tama ba? Oops, yeah. November is a time to remember Daredevil. Ayan, 1975 November. So, the Stiltman Comet. Ayan, so Thanksgiving 27 is always at the last Thursday of November. Kaya meron siyang Thanksgiving doon. Si Karen Page, ang love interest ni Matt Murdock. Ayan. And of course, comes Christmas. Christmas is the Hulk. December is a green-skinned gent called the Hulk. Ayan. So, Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, peace on earth, goodwill to men. Ayan. At marami pang characters na related kay Hulk. Alright. So, that concludes the 12 months of 1975, the Marble Way. Ayan. So, ano pang sabi dito? A special ballpen bonus from Magnificent Marble. Blah, blah, blah. Yung mga mahilig dyan naman sa, ano ba to? Sa horoscope. Ayan, meron pa. At meron pang mga milestone dito naman sa baba. So, ayan. So, ito naman yung pinaka Make Mine Marble. Ito yung laging mga, kung mayroon kayong mga old comics ng Marvel, ito yung lagi nilang sinasabi. Ayan, so got this for, yeah, it's about 25 Singapore dollars. So it's a bargain, but when you buy it sa Kinokuniya, it's more than that. So naka-discount ako. So yan, so that concludes our unboxing for today. Yan, nakakatawa kasi we were able to relive and have a feel of what the calendar 50 years ago looks like. Ayan, so kung meron kayong mga kaibigan na ipinanganak ng 1975, please get and buy them this calendar para naman maalala na, especially if they are a Marvel fan like me. So ako, huwag nyo na ako ibili kasi meron na ako. Just buy for me other things, alright? As a present, alright? So you do the math. This year is really, really very special for us. And make mine Marvel. Bye. See you next week sa Unboxing in 60 Seconds.